children, today let's start with chapter number 3, that is occupation. So let's study about our occupation. Everyone, we also do jobs for earning money. So there are many people, we cannot do all the work ourselves. So we have helpers जो हमें help करते हैं doing different types of. So an occupation means job which a person usually do to earn his livelihood. People generally choose their occupation according to their skills. वो अपने skills के हिसाब से, physical strength के हिसाब से क्या करते हैं, चीज़ों को choose करते हैं. They do different jobs, types of job. They work as a doctor, teacher, engineer, scientist, carpenter, mason, policeman, and pilot. So name these people according to their occupation. So you have to name them. We will study about them one by one. First is farming. What it is? It is an agriculture. India here it's a primary and agriculture country, and a large number of people they are engaged in agriculture activity. Look, farming करते हैं, right? They grow different types of crops and they earn their livelihood, right? Farming involves cultivation of crops and animal rearing. People who do फार्मिंग दे आर कॉल्ड फार्मिंग. जो फार्मिंग करते हैं उनको हम कहते हैं फार्मर. इंडिया क्या है? सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है टी का. जो सॉइल ऑफ इंडिया है इट्स वेरी फर्टाइल. जो क्लाइमेट है वो फेवरेबल रहता है फॉर फार्मिंग. इंडिया रिसीव गुड रेनफॉल और ये लॉट ऑफ वाटर सप्लाई भी करता है नीड फॉर इरीगेशन. इन केस ऑफ नो और रेस्ट रेनफॉल फील्ड्स आर इरीगेटेड. हम किससे फील्ड को इरीगेट करते हैं? With the help of canals, dams, wells and tubes. Now we have occupation that depend on farming. So there are many other occupations which are related with farming. People rear cattle and sheep. Cow, buffalo, goats, they are reared for. Like हम cow को, buffalo को, goats को rear करते हैं किसके लिए? Milk के. Some people rear sheep for wool. It is called sheep rearing. Sheep and goats also provide us meat. Bullocks are reared to plow the field and pull carts. Some people raise hens. It is called poultry farm. They keep birds like hens, duck, geese, turkey for eggs and meat. Right? Now textile mill are depend on farming. They make clothes from cotton and jute. Sugarcane it is used. Sugar and jaggery. Oil is produced from groundnut, mustard, sunflower, coconut, sesame seeds that farmer grows. Some people work in rubber plantation. And what is rubber? It is sent to the factories where many things such as tires and tubes are made. Tea and coffee are also grown in the garden. So जो occupation है to rear cattle for milk is the dairy farming, and India has the largest number of cattle. सबसे ज़्यादा cattle कहाँ है? Forestry if we talk about, our country is full of thick forest. Forests are storehouse of wood, gums and herbs. They provide us several occupation. Some people are cut trees to get wood. This is called lumbering, and wood is used in the construction of houses and furniture. Some people collect gums and herbs which are used to make many different things. Some people collect gum and herbs which are used to make many different things. Such people collect latex from the rubber tree. So there are many occupations that also related with the forest, such as collecting medicinal plants, herbs, making wooden cartons for packing, making material for building houses, matchboxes, matchsticks and pits. Now fishing, it is a major occupation for many people who live in the coastal area. They catch and sell fish. It's an important source of food. Beside food, we get oil from some kinds of fish. Fish are processed and packed and then transported to various places. Now we have mining. Our country is rich in mineral and has large deposit of iron, mica, copper, zinc and manganese. Mining is the process of taking out substance from the earth. After digging out, they are refined in factories. So these refined minerals are used to make. इनसे हम क्या बनाते हैं? Utensils, machine, car, trains, engine, aeroplanes, sewing machine, bicycle and many other things. We get variety of metals out of these minerals, and metals like iron, they are used to make houses and bridges. Indians are engaged in several occupations. They are doctors, engineer, teacher, lawyers. Some people sing, dance, act in dramas, movies and write books. Some work in government offices, some in private offices. Some run factories or shops. They allow to contribute in the prosperity and progress of country. गुजरात क्या है? लॉन्गेस्ट कोस्ट लाइन है इंडिया की, और उड़ीसा को हम मिनरल स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं. You must know it because it can be, question can be asked in this form, which is the largest mining state. So the work is done to earn money, but money alone should not motivate to work. It's our duty to work with honesty and dedication. Right? This is all for today. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.